Another absolutely incredible example of a Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR just arrived. 2022 model, 8,000 miles, in a beautiful order all round. This car is ridiculous to drive, isn't it? 575 brake horsepower, 5-litre V8 supercharged engine, giving you incredible power and performance, but the noise and the exhilaration you get from these SVRs is a thing of absolute beauty. This car's got some key options. It's got the sliding roof, it's got refrigerator, it's got the two-tone ivory and black leather, which I love, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, ambient lighting. It is a stunning place to sit. The noise and exhilaration from it is out of this world, but for me, it's the black, it's the colour. A black car with the 22-inch black wheels. Santorini black is the colour. It looks absolutely stunning. And the key exterior feature of this particular SVR is this. It has the carbon bonnet, non-exposed carbon with the scoops in, so it's lighter weight, and it is a big feature of any SVR when looking for one in the market. Now, this car is in Santorini black. It's a 22 plate car, so as you'd expect, it's a beautiful order. It's got Land Rover warranty until 2025 with breakdown assistance. And in black, with the gloss black, 22-inch wheels, red braking calipers, black insert into the wings. It looks absolutely incredible. Of course, it's a Range Rover Sport, so it does everything you'd want from a four-wheel drive. It can be a family car, it can be a car for you to use on a daily basis if you're just a one personal owner. And it's just a luxury performance four-wheel drive in a beautiful order, priced to sell. It is incredible price in the market, live price today. To the rear end, black badges, black boot finisher, black rear diffuser. Again, beautiful order from every angle, this vehicle, giving you space and practicality from the Range Rover Sport side of things with the incredible engine these cars come with. Assisted tailgate. I love the two-tone interior in this particular car, which is ivory and ebony, all in a beautiful order. Heated rear seats, rear climate control, the one-piece SVR Sport interior. The seats are incredible. Again, opening roof, not a standard feature on one of these cars. Keyless entry, adaptive cruise control with blind spot assist, which is just in the mirror there. Full electric memory seats. SVR two-tone steering wheel, which is heated, and we've got also electronic steering column. What a car this is. And if you're looking for a performance four-wheel drive, we sell so many different types, but the SVR is the one that everyone comes back to and really is the pinnacle of this type of car for the money that it costs. So if we look inside and look at the controls, we have a full switchable interface behind the steering wheel. Again, we've just got it with the map display, but this steering wheel is absolutely stunning. SVR embossed at the bottom, Napa leather, very chunky, a lot more chunky than a normal Range Rover Sport with the ceramic dials on. You've got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, Bluetooth, voice control, and obviously your stereo controls. Extended paddle shifters on the SVR in a brushed metal effect. Up here, you'll see we've got opening tilt and sliding roof, but again, the finish is premium stuff, all Alcantara through the roof lining, through the vanity mirrors. Top dash is all finished in leather, as is the middle dash and the top of the doors, center of the doors. And then this console through the center. Under here, we have a refrigerator with the light. We have this beautiful ambient lighting. We have piano black through the center console with the contrasting white or ivory gear stick. Suspension settings, switchable, heated front seats, different driving modes, sports exhaust, your navigation, Bluetooth, CarPlay, popping it into reverse. Another feature, we've got reversing camera, the car will park itself. Smartphone interface, obviously different driving modes. Dynamic program, which is you need to drive this car in through the paddles in dynamic. The noise and the exhilaration is just absolutely incredible. And don't forget, you're buying a car that's a 22 plate car, so it has all the benefit in kind you'd want from the warranty, from the breakdown assistance, Land Rover Assist, and it's in a lovely order all round. Dynamic lights to the front and the rear, really lifting this car with all the black styling throughout. It's on the website now. It's a great price. It's done 8,000 miles. It's a 22 plate SVR. What more could you want from a luxury four-wheel drive? My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen. Thanks for watching.